Parents are making this video uh, with the topic concerning the new education policy and its advantage and disadvantage. And it is if any parent is watching this my video, please watch it full length of the video so that you can uh, judge about your child's future. You see, our previous system was 10 plus 2 plus 3 to be graduate, but now and where actually pre-school schooling was not essential. You could have got your ward or child admitted directly in class 1, but now the system has changed. Central government which is implementing new education policy from 2022 includes fundamental also, in which Anganwadi, preschool and Bal Vatika is also considered. Preschool includes nursery, LKG, UKG. Age for that is 3 to 8. Not only this, nursery, LKG, UKG, fundamental is including class 1 and class 2 also. So that's why age group includes 3 to 8. Next is preparatory, which includes class 3, class 4 and class 5, which includes age group of 8 to 11 years children. So then again third is middle, which includes class 6, class 7 and class 8 for the children having falling in the age group of 11 to 14 years. And fourth is the secondary, which includes class 9, class 10, class 11 and class 12, for which children must be falling in between 14 to 18 years. Now main thing is that now right from class nursery, this system is including. So a child of 3 years old is has been also considered. So you have to be careful about the foundational also, and if you are getting your child admitted in a school, that school must be registered with the estate where the child is belonging, or his or her parents are belonging. Means NOC from the state government of the registered school is very much essential, and all the details of the school will be available online. Because if you are getting transferred your ward in some other school in the same city, or suppose in another city also, online it will be checked by that particular school where you want to intake your ward to be admitted. So that particular school will check whether your ward or a child has got the education from a registered school having NOC and everything or not. If not, then they will not take the admission. Even if they will be liking to take the admission, they can't take. Okay. So another thing, if you are feeling that you are next year when offline classes will start, you will get your ward admitted directly in class 1 or class 2 or something like that, or in any class whichever you are liking, that is not possible. You will because already, even if lockdown is going on, online classes are going on in each and every schools, maximum schools, I mean to say, I should not say each and every, maximum schools, I should say. So you have, so always the next school will be, if that is affiliated to CBSE, CBSE will, or government's direction must be there whether a student has taken all the online classes or not, whether he or she was present in online classes or not. So that criteria may be imposed. So be careful, parents. You should get your ward admitted immediately if you have not got admitted your ward so far, because from 2022 onwards it will be implemented. Okay, so otherwise it will harm the child's future. Okay, so if you are liking my video, please subscribe it, share it and like it, so that maximum parents must be benefited with it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.